Are you interested in making money using artificial intelligence? In today's video, I'm going to share with you 20 AI applications that you can use right now to increase your revenue, reduce your costs, and improve your productivity. Whether you're a business owner, a marketer, a trader, or just curious about AI, you'll find something useful in this list. In this video, I'll be sharing with you some examples of how AI is being used today to make money. These applications are not just theoretical concepts or future dreams, but actual products and services that you can use today to gain a competitive advantage and grow your business. So, let's get started. 1. Algorithmic trading. Example: Hotspot, Crypto Hopper. How it works: use AI-powered trading algorithms to buy and sell securities in the financial markets based on market trends and signals. 2. Predictive analytics. Example: IBM Watson Analytics. How it works: use AI to analyze data and predict future trends, allowing businesses to make more informed decisions. 3. Fraud detection. Example: fraud.net. How it works: use AI to detect and prevent fraudulent activities such as credit card fraud, identity theft, and money laundering. 4. Personalization. Example: Amazon Personalize. How it works: use AI to provide personalized recommendations and experiences to customers, improving customer satisfaction and loyalty. 5. Chatbots. Example: Intercom. How it works: use AI-powered chatbots to provide customer support and answer common queries 24/7, improving customer satisfaction and reducing costs. 6. Natural language processing, NLP. Example: Google Cloud NLP. How it works: use AI-powered NLP to analyze and understand human language, allowing businesses to automate tasks such as sentiment analysis and language translation. 7. Voice recognition. Example: Amazon Alexa, Google Home. How it works: use AI-powered voice recognition to enable hands-free control of devices and appliances. 8. Image recognition. Example: Google Cloud Vision. How it works: use AI-powered image recognition to automatically classify and tag images, improving organization and searchability. 9. Autonomous vehicles. Example: Waymo. How it works: use AI-powered autonomous vehicles to transport goods and people, reducing the need for human drivers. 10. Predictive maintenance. Example: GE Digital Predicts. How it works: use AI to predict when machines and equipment will need maintenance, reducing downtime and improving efficiency. 11. Medical diagnostics. Example: IBM Watson Health. How it works: use AI-powered medical diagnostics to improve accuracy and speed of diagnosis, reducing costs and improving patient outcomes. 12. Marketing optimization. Example: Optimizely. How it works: use AI-powered marketing optimization to improve targeting and conversion rates, reducing costs and increasing revenue. 13. Supply chain optimization. Example: Blue Yonder. How it works: use AI to optimize supply chain management, improving efficiency and reducing costs. 14. Virtual assistants. Example: Google Assistant, Siri. How it works: use AI-powered virtual assistants to perform administrative tasks such as scheduling and organizing, freeing up time for more strategic work. 15. Content creation. Example: Articulo. How it works: use AI-powered content creation tools to generate articles, blog posts, and other types of content, reducing the need for human writers. 16. Cybersecurity. Example: Darktrace. How it works: use AI to detect and respond to cyber threats in real time, reducing the risk of data breaches and other security incidents. 17. Sentiment analysis. Example: Clarabridge. How it works: use AI-powered sentiment analysis to analyze and understand customer sentiment, allowing businesses to improve customer experience and product development. 18. Energy management. Example: Siemens MindSphere. How it works: use AI to optimize energy consumption and reduce costs in buildings and facilities, improving sustainability and profitability. 19. Agricultural optimization. Example: John Deere Precision Agriculture. How it works. Use AI-powered precision agriculture tools to optimize crop yields and reduce waste, improving food security and environmental sustainability. 20. Talent acquisition. Example: HireVue. How it works. Use AI-powered recruitment tools to streamline and optimize talent acquisition, reducing costs and improving candidate experience. So, those were the top 20 AI applications that can make you money today. Which ones did you find most interesting? Which ones would you like to see talked about in more detail? Please let me know in the comments below. And if you want to learn more about AI and its potential for business, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell to get notified of my future videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.